When you picture ancient catapults, do you see flaming boulders arcing over walls? Cool image, but not how Greek and Roman artillery actually worked. I want to show you the real machines. Faster, smarter, way more precise than the myths. The Greeks started with the gastra feats, the belly bow. Think giant crossbow, brace it against your stomach, crank back for power. Then came torsion artillery, bundles of twisted sinew storing energy like springs. Engineers in Syracuse and across the Hellenistic world scaled that up into the catapult for bolts, lithobolos for stones. Enter Rome. The Romans didn't invent artillery, they standardized it. The Ballista fired long iron-tipped bolts with surprising accuracy, hundreds of meters downrange. The Scorpio was a slimmer sniper version for picking off officers. And the onager, the single-arm stone thrower, shows up more commonly in the late Empire than in Caesar's day. Reality check flaming shots? Rare. Fire is risky on your own siege works and ships, and oil is precious. Most ammo was plain bolt stones and sometimes clay pots filled with lime or smoke. How powerful were these? Bolt throwers could reach roughly 300–500 meters, with crews getting off a few shots per minute. Stone throwers lobbed 20 to 80 kilogram rocks to smash parapets and morale. Artillery wasn't a magic win button. Sieges, naval battles, and softening formations before infantry closed in. The clever bit is physics. Torsion bundles store energy when twisted. Humidity changes their tension, so crews constantly adjusted clamps and cords. Romans even built metal-framed Ballista for consistent performance across legions. So myth says flaming chaos. Reality says engineered precision. And that precision laid the groundwork. From crossbows